Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make Gallaet Bandora or frying tomatoes with olive oil. It's a traditional meal of Palestine. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First, let's start with our ingredients. I'm having here 1.5 kilos of chopped tomato. We also gonna need 2 chopped medium size onions, 3 chopped garlic cloves, half cup of olive oil, and some salt and black pepper. That's all my friends, and now let's see how to prepare our Gallaet Bandora. In a pot over the stove, put half cup of olive oil. Wait a little bit, then add the onions. Fry the onions with the olive oil for around 5 minutes, then add the garlic. Mix all together and let it fry for 2 minutes, then add the tomato. Stir the mixture a little bit and add the salt and the black pepper. You can use jalapeno with this meal too. Cover the pot and leave it cooking over medium heat for around 45 minutes or until the tomato is well done. And don't forget during the processing of cooking to stir the tomato once in a while. My friend, this is our final look of our dish. We eat it with a pita bread, and you can eat it with French fries too. It's delicious, or you can eat it however you like. If you have any question, please leave it on the comment area below. Thank you for watching and goodbye.